Hi guys, how you doing? My name is Rich Guzman and welcome to Ace and Rich Freedom by Design, the place to come to learn how to make money online because no one teaches digital marketing like Ace and Rich. In today's video, we're going to talk about affiliate marketing. And when you hear from other people, the money's in the list, I'm going to debunk that because it's not. The money is not in the list. So guys, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so you don't miss a beat when we go live and also when we create great content like this for you. Now, you ever hear people talk about that the money's in the list. The money is in the list. Is the money really in the list when it comes to email marketing? See, I beg to differ because through my experience since, being online since 2008, what I realized is the money is how you work the leads in your list. You see, nobody tells you that because, if you're just getting emails on your list and you're starting to write emails to get their attention, not every lead is created equal. And this is unfortunate, right? But there's a way to solve that problem. The way you do that is you want to create 3 separate lists. These lists consist of introduction, a broadcast, and a highly engaged list. Now, like I said earlier, all leads are not created equal. So if some leads are not opening up your emails, are you going to send them over to your highly engaged list? No, of course not. You want to score in the bad behavior and make sure you do not add them to your highly engaged list. But the people who actually open and click on your link in your email, you want to bring them over to the highly engaged list. Now, why is that important? Because you're trying to convert a lead into a sale. And the way to do that is to make sure that you're providing offers to that highly engaged list. You see, the thing about it is, guys, people have different behavior patterns, and you need to understand that every lead has a different behavior. And if you know exactly how to understand that behavior, then you can convert a lot more leads into sales and increase more conversions in your business. You see, guys, the money was never in the list. The money was how you work the leads in your list, okay? So remember, guys, reward the good behavior, scoring the bad, and you start creating more conversions in your email marketing efforts as an affiliate marketer, okay? So my name is Rich Guzman, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by this video. Be sure to click on the link below because that link is going to drive you to a 7-day free trial where you can actually learn about email marketing follow-up, okay? Take care, guys, and I'll see you on a new live very soon. Bye now.